Manchester farmer charged for taking the life of his teen son and also two others. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Manchester farmer who brutally took the life of a mother and her two sons, including his own child, was yesterday sentenced to 3 life sentences in the Home Circuit Court. Mark Henry, who is aged 56 years old, was ordered to serve 49 years and 6 months in prison before being eligible for parole. The victims include Nadine Carradine, her 11-year-old son Rashawn Ellis, and her 16-year-old son Jovan Thomas were found with knife wounds to their necks. Candice and Thomas also had multiple wounds across their bodies. The court was told that Jovan Thomas is the child of Carradine and Mark Henry, who was also married. The bodies of the deceased were found outside their home in Rumble District, Manchester on April 29, 2014. Henry was last month convicted of 3 counts of homicide following a trial in the Manchester Circuit Court. However, he was sentenced yesterday in the Home Circuit Court by Justice Lorna Shelley and Williams. The judge sentenced Henry to 3 life sentences for each count of the taking out. He was ordered to serve 49 years and 6 months in prison on each count for the sentence running concurrently. Henry has maintained his innocence during the trial despite his conviction, and the court was further told by a probation officer that he had no sense of remorse for the killings. However, the father of 8, who lost his wife and son while in custody, appeared sad during the sentencing hearing. Mark Henry was represented by attorney at law Donald Gittins. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.